On today's episode, we're going to work in the Sprinter van. Now, the next several weeks are going to be really strange and chaotic on the channel here. If you're here for filming stuff, try to understand the purpose here. If you're here for my daily vlogs, well, this is just going to be part of my daily vlogs. If you're here for my product reviews, stay tuned. Lots of product reviews coming. Don't unsubscribe. In fact, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. What we're doing on today's episode here, the Sprinter van is noisy. That bass drum, we've got Dynamat Extreme that we're going to apply. Now, I've already gone through and recorded actual audio of driving down the road. So we have a before, and then we're going to apply it all, and then we're going to come back and do it after. So we're going to set up all these cameras and do everything and have some fun. Got this thing stripped down now. What I don't understand is they have put a very similar material all over the place, ceiling everywhere except here. Why? Why do it everywhere except here? Makes no sense. But we're going to do a couple pieces and kind of do the knock test and see how it sounds. So here's the knock test. Precision and it won't ever be seen. Alright, knock test. I don't have a lot of difference. We won't know till later.